So Neha, I heard you made a lot of gains in crypto last week. But let me tell you, taxes just made it smaller by over 30%. If you're trading NFTs or cryptos, every move could cost you big. Under section 115 BBH, every crypto or NFT gain is taxed at 30% flat. No exceptions. One wrong move, one losing trade, and the taxman still taxes his cut. Unlike stocks, crypto losses cannot be set off. Even if last week's trades burned you, gains in this week are fully taxable. Trading above 10,000, expect 1% TDS under section 1945. Some traders face 50,000 thresholds, miss it, and the penalty hits. How to fight back? So Neha, how can you fight back? Hold more, trade less. Every trade triggers TDS. Use Indian exchanges over American exchanges. So don't be like Neha. Trade smart and track every move.